Can you imagine? A porous glass powder that's making genetic testing more efficient. It might resemble flour to you, but if you zoom in with the microscope, it looks like a coral reef with incredible microstructures. Our partners in the healthcare industry have a lot of challenges today. They're trying to deliver patients better results faster than ever before. To determine whether patients have certain diseases or even predict risks for developing them in the future, they use genetic testing to look for mutations or variations in your DNA. To conduct these tests, one common technique is oligonucleotide synthesis. That's the synthesis of short nucleic acid fragments with a defined chemical structure. It's very useful for diagnostic laboratories because it provides rapid, cost-efficient access to custom-made oligonucleotides of the desired sequence. There's just one issue. Oligonucleotide synthesis requires special materials that can absorb a lot of liquid. That's where our R&D team right here in Duryea, Pennsylvania took up the challenge. Our experts developed CoralPor, a glass powder with a unique microstructure that absorbs more molecules than previous materials. Since we can control and reproduce those structures across every single particle, our glass powder makes the synthesis much more precise. And it can be cleaned and reused, which allows for more sustainable and cost-efficient processes. We think more efficient genetic tests can make a big difference in the healthcare industry, because detecting diseases faster means better patient outcome.